You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about this Mac Notch platform, which is Notch Hook and DynamicLake. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Notch Hook in 2025 gives Mac user a clever way to turn the Notch into productivity hub, adding media control, quick widget, and app shortcut in a clean, minimal style. It even works on Mac without a notch, making it versatile and lightweight. The downside is that it's fairly simple, well polished, and it doesn't go too far beyond basic widget and shortcut. DynamicLake, on the other hand, expands its ideas with more interactive features like live notification, music control, quick file tools, and integration for calendar and weather. It feels more powerful for users who want their notch areas to do more. However, that extra complexity means it can be heavier on resources and slightly less stable than Notch Hook. So in conclusion, Notch Hook is the best for simplicity and polish, while DynamicLake suits users who want minimum functionality. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.